My name's Danny Brummel, and I'm an Agronomy Resource Manager at Corteva Agriscience. In my role, I lead our commercial drone program and on-farm research trials. I studied agronomy, so the science of row crop production, and I had a really cool opportunity to go and do drone research in Western Africa. And so I went and lived in Ghana for about half a year, studying drones, corn, soybean, and rice fields. And then when I finished that research, a really cool opportunity came up at Corteva, utilizing drones with agriculture research. I'm really passionate about working in the green industry because of all the innovative technologies we get to utilize. Utilizing these technologies, we're helping solve farmers' problems to help them succeed in fueling and feeding the world. A STEM education path can be extremely rewarding. It can set you up for success in your career and at the same time help you follow your different passions and interests in life. To work in the industry of agriculture, you don't have to grow up on a farm. I did it. You need to be curious, willing to learn, and the industry of agriculture needs people from lots of different backgrounds to succeed. When I think of a farmer today, I think of someone that utilizes satellite and aerial imagery to diagnose different challenges they might be having in the field. Agriculture today is an extremely innovative field where we're utilizing very high-tech sciences and instruments to improve production efficiency, but also environmental sustainability. I do a lot of research with different types of robotics. Primarily, I do research with aerial drones to collect different imagery of fields and identify challenges that farmers face. We're also exploring other robotics, such as ground robotics, to get imagery under the canopy and identify things that we can't see from a drone. There's a very high demand for professionals in the industry right now, especially with the growing population that we have to meet the needs around the world.